Hello my dear friends, I am Kajal Nagrani. You welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English with Kajal. In our today's video, we are going to solve all the question and answers including warming up, then English workshop and margin questions of 2.23 questions. In my previous video, I have explained this lesson in Hindi. So in description box, I have given you link for all the videos of this standard. Okay, so let's start with the first question. We have to match the pairs with column A with to column B. First word is the principle and its answer is a rule to govern one's behavior. Second word, that is the quotation. Its answer is words cited from a speech text of a person, famous person. Then third word, that is a moral. Its answer is its pair is a lesson derived from a story or experience. Then fourth word is idiom and its a pair is established expression which do not convey exactly the same as individual words. Then fifth word is the slogan. Its pair is short striking message for the public. The next word is one liners. Its pair is a short witty remark stating truth. Next word, that is the maxims. Its pair is the a popular well-known truth. And last one, that is the proverb and its pair is the generally accepted evident or truth. Next question, read the polite request or suggestions then complete the gaps in the responses. Make sure they are polite and not repeated. Okay, so first question, could you lend me your dictionary? So how to accept? Yes, here it is. And how to refuse it? I can't because I am using it now. Second question, that is, can you please pass the salad? So in acceptance you can say sure, or next one is here you are. Then may I know the exact time? This is the third question. In acceptance you can say right now it is exactly 10 to 6 and next one is that the time now is 10 minutes past 5. The next question, shall we plan a class picnic? Then in agree, whenever you are agree you have to say yes, let's. And if you have to resume, I am going to my native place for a month. Do you need help? Next question it is. In acceptance you can say yes please, or to refuse it's alright, thank you, I can manage. Next question, it is alright if I use your laptop. Then in acceptance you have to say yes, I can spare it for an hour. And in refuse, if you have to refuse, then it would say could you wait some time, I have something I need to complete. Third question, let's see if you remember a nursery rhyme you must have sung or skits. Some sentences are given here, you have to fill in the blanks. First is the time to be happy is now, the place to be happy is here, and the way to be happy is to make someone happy and have a little heaven right here. See, in bracket the words are given here, I just fill that words in the sentences. Now you have to write down the true and false. First sentence is the people convinced the king to make a proclamation. It's false. The hermit spoke usually to everyone. This is also false. The king received all answers from the hermit. This is true. The person the king saved and helped was his enemy. It is also true. To do good to people is the purpose of our life. This is also true. Again what we have to do, we have to match the titles with the content of the proper paragraph. Okay, some paragraphs are given here and we have to match that startings of the paragraph with the content of the paragraph. So first content is once a certain king and dash dash dash, then important to do. So directly I am saying you answer the answer of first one, that is the I. It means king's announcement. Then many learned people dash dash time for everything. Its answer is the king received various answers. Then third one, equally varied dash dash give the reward to none. Its answer is questions remain unanswered. Then fourth one is when the king arrived dash my first attention. Its answer is the king meets the hermit. Then fifth one is the hermit listened, continue to dig, and its answer is king helps the hermit. Then sixth number, the king turned around dash give it to him. Then its answer is the wounded stranger. Then seven number, meanwhile the son dash said the king. Its answer is the stranger begs for pardon. 8 number, you do not know blank all my life. Its answer is stranger's vicious intention. The 9 number, the king was very glad dash the day before. Its answer is king gains a friend, and last one, that is the do you not see dash sent into the life. Its answer is the hermit points out answers. Next question, some words are given here, we have to classify them into king and hermit. So in the column of king we can write down helpful, impatient and eager to succeed. In the column of hermit we can see feeble, enlightened, patient, convincing and wise. Then what we have to complete the tree diagram association with the happening in the story. Okay, from the story we have to complete this tree diagram. First one, it is given here that reward winning questions. First one question is given here, that who were the most necessary people, and I have write down here two questions, that are what was the right time for every action, and how would the king know what the most important thing to do. Then different responses to first question. One response is given here, that is impossible for one man to decide correctly the right time for every action, so have a council of wise people. And remaining two are the draw up in advance a table of days, months and years and live strictly by it. Then next one should always attend to all that is going on and then do what is the most essential. C is the most necessary people needed by the king, that are counselors, doctors, then priests and warriors. Then most important occupations are science, skill in warfare and religious worship. Fifth question, write down in your notebook 2 points of each of the following. How do you know? We have to write down 2 points of each, that how do you know the sentence. First sentence is the learned advisor who come to the court confused the king. Your answer is by giving the king different answers. The learned advisors who come to court confused the king. None of the answer given by the advisors was complete or comprehensive. From their answer it is quite clear to me that each one of them dwelt on part of the truth and not the whole truth. B is that the king was humble. Its answer is we come to know that the king was humble by the fact that he did not mind doing ordinary work such as digging. He did not use his authority as king to force the hermit to answer his questions. Instead, he requested the hermit politely and was ready to go away if the hermit refused to answer his questions. Third one is the king's enemy was repentant. Your answer is the king's enemy tells him the since the king had saved his life, if he, means the king, wished it, he would serve him all his life. This shows that he was a repentant. Fourth question, that is the hermit was truly wise. How do we know? It means its answer is I think the hermit somehow knew everything before the king arrived. He must have known about the plan of the king's enemy and so was able to deal with it purposefully when the king arrived. News about the ambush most definitely have come to his ears, otherwise he would not have been able to answer the king's questions in such a real and practical way. He was a hermit, a wise man, and nothing of importance would have escaped his consideration. Your next question, that is a fill in the blanks. First one is the varied, that is from paragraph 3, means different. Varied means different. Many learned people came to the court and gave different answers. Third one is the synonym of convince is persuaded. D is that the king wanted to know right time to begin everything. Then next one is I pray to you, answer my questions. Here pray means request. And last one, that is the choose an adverb that collocates with the breathe and breathe heavily. This is the collocation. Next question is given here. The learned people were sometimes divided in their opinions. Different people giving quite different answers. At other times, none of them give an answer. They all suggested ways to look for an answer. Can you point out example of each? So your answer is to know the right time for every action, draw up in advance a table of days, months and years and live strictly according to it. The people the king most needed, counselors, the most important occupation, science. You can take the screenshot of these all questions. These are very big questions, so I am not going to read it. Please take the screenshot of it. Remaining two questions, that is the question number 4 and question number 5, and its answers are given here. These are 5 questions. Before I have given you the 2 questions and now these are remaining 2 questions. Please take the screenshot of it. And now this is the last question. Do you think the hermit knew beforehand not only about the king's arrival but also about the ambush by his enemy? Think a little about this and say what you really feel. Answer is, I think the hermit somehow knew everything before the king arrived. He must have known about the plan of the king's enemy and so was able to deal with it purposefully when the king arrived. News about the ambush must definitely have come to his ears. Otherwise, he would not have been able to answer the king's question in such a real and practical way. He was a hermit, a wise man, and nothing of importance would have escaped his consideration. Now the next question is given here, that what we have to do, consider this list of the different things that happen and rearrange them in order of time. See, chronological order में हमें लगाना है, यहाँ पे sequentially लगाना है. 7 sentences are given here. So this is the correct sequence, that is the king executed the bearded man's brother. Then the bearded man resolved to kill the king. Then the king went alone to see the hermit. The bearded man led an ambush to kill the king. The bearded man came out of the ambush. The king's bodyguards recognized and wounded the bearded man. And last sentence, that is that the king spent the night at the hermit's hut. This is the correct of the sentences. In question, the sentences are given in different order. It is in the incorrect order. We have to arrange them in correct order. This is the correct order of the sentences as per the lesson. Next sentence, read the story in your own language. Summarize the following aspects of the story in 4 to 5 lines, each in your own language. So we have to write down 5 points, that is the king's problem, then attempts made to find a solution, then climax, then solution, and then message. So king's problem is, what are the questions? He wants to know the answer of the three questions, that are, what was the right time to begin everything, who are the right people to listen to, who was the most important thing to do. Then attempts he made to find a solution, that is the king wanted to answer the 3 questions. In order to find a solution, he had proclamation made in his kingdom. He also announced a great reward to anyone who would give him the answers to his questions. Then next one, that is the climax. And our climax is, the climax of the story is that the person whom the king had had wronged by the executing his brothers years ago finally forgave him. This is because the king had saved his life. Then the solution, the most important time, when the king was digging the beds and when he was attending to the wounded man. Otherwise he would not have met the man and the man would have died. The most important action was binding the man's wound. If the man had died, he would not have made peace with the king. The most important man was the hermit who made it possible for the king to find the answer to his questions. And the message which we get from this story, by saving the life of the wounded man, who was in fact his enemy, we get the message that the important thing in life is to do good to others, because it is for the purpose alone we were sent into this life. You can take the screenshot of this type of big questions. Then see what we have to do. Letters are given here of the particular word and they are not in the proper order. We have to arrange these letters in the proper order and make a meaningful word. So your first meaningful word is undertake. Second meaningful word is anyone. Third one is the pastime. Fourth word is the bodyguard. Fifth word is warfare. Sixth word is the beforehand. Seventh word is the meanwhile, and last word is the everything. These are the words which we have find out from these letters. Then what we have to find out in this question, we have to find out the collocations of the given words. So first word is the important, its collocation is most important. We have to find out from the lesson. Then gazing intently, then frail and weak, then widely renowned, then right time, then warm blood, then simple clothes, then eyes closed, then feel asleep, and last one is the made peace. Now what we have to do, we have to find out the finite or non-finite word. Finite word means those words which are bounded or which is having the, we can say, which are having the limitations of the tense, पर्सन और नंबर, इसका मतलब नंबर, पर्सन और टेंस बदलने की वजह से जिसका फॉर्म में अपीयरेंस चेंज हो जाता है उसको बोलते हैं फाइनाइट, और जो चेंज नहीं होते उनको बोलते हैं नॉन फाइनाइट वर्ब्स. ओके, इट्स मीन्स नॉन फाइनाइट वर्ब्स आर दोज वर्ब्स विच आर नॉट एक्टिंग एज अ वर्ब इन द सेंटेंस, they can just act as a noun, adjective or adverb in the sentence. So let's see in first sentence, he decide to go to a hermit. So your decide is the finite verb and to go is the non finite, because decide जो है, डिसाइड्स अगर हमने इसका टेंस चेंज कर दिया तो डिसाइडेड बन जाएगा, लेकिन टू गो वैसे ही रहेगा. सो गो जो है नॉन फाइनाइट है लेकिन डिसाइड्स फाइनाइट है. इन सेकेंड सेंटेंस, आई हैव कम टू यू वाइज हर्मिट. सो कम जो है तो उसको हमने अगर चेंज कर दिया टेंस तो वहाँ पे कम का केम बन जाएगा, इसलिए वो फाइनाइट है. थर्ड आंसर इज, third sentence is he gave the reward to none. So your answer gave is the finite word. Fourth, in gave जो है हमने उसका पर्सन बदल दिया, टेंस बदले तो ऑब्वियसली गेव का गिव, गिवन या तो फिर गिव्स ऐसे कुछ बन जाएगा, इसलिए वो फाइनाइट है. देन इन फोर्थ सेंटेंस, डिगिंग इज द नॉन फाइनाइट वर्ड, बिकॉज जो वॉज है यहाँ पे वॉज आपका फाइनाइट वर्ब है लेकिन उसको अंडरलाइन नहीं है इसलिए मैंने वो नहीं लिखा है. डिगिंग जो है नॉन फाइनाइट वर्ब है. In question sentence number 5, pray is the finite, answer is the non-finite. Then in sentence number 6, forgive is the finite. And in question number 7, the sun began to sink. In this in sentence, began is the finite and to sink is the non-finite. So also take the screenshot of this also. And your next question is, narrate an experience of your own that has helped you to realize that patience is bitter but its fruit is sweet. Write in your notebook about in 20 lines. देखिए यहाँ पे पेशेंस इज बेटर बट इट्स फ्रूट इज स्वीट, इस पे आपको नियर अबाउट 20 लाइन्स लिखनी है. सो आंसर इज गिवन हियर, यू कैन टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस. दिस इज द हाफ आंसर. रिमेनिंग हाफ आंसर इज गिवन इन दिस स्लाइड. Next question, after reading the story, develop a dialogue with two of your classmates about the characters in the story. Besides the tactful introduction to the conversation, write 8 to 10 sets of dialogue. देखिए आपको क्या करना है, आपको और आपके क्लास के 2 बच्चों को यानी कि 3 लोगों का कन्वर्सेशन आपको लिखना है. और यहाँ पे आपको एक ही कन्वर्सेशन का सेट दिया है, लेकिन आपका जो क्वेश्चन है उसमें दिया है राइट 8 to 10 सेट्स ऑफ डायलॉग, यानी कि ये जो डायलॉग का एक सेट है तो ऐसे आपको 8 से 10 तक आपको सेट बनाने हैं, वो भी 3 लोगों का कन्वर्सेशन उसमें करना है. एक सेट मैंने यहाँ पे दिया है. सो यू कैन टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस एंड रिमेनिंग जो 9 सेट्स है वो आपको खुद आपके ओन अंडरस्टैंडिंग पे, ओन एबिलिटी पे आपके नोटबुक में लिखना है. नाउ let's do with the margin questions. First one is the what is the right time according to you? According to me, the right time is the present. Yesterday cannot be undone, tomorrow cannot be predicted, therefore the only right time is today, that is present. Next question, what final suggestion did the last group of learned men offer regarding the best time? Its answer is the last group of learned men said that it was impossible for one man to decide correctly the right time for every action, and that his kind should instead have a council of wise people who would help him to fix the proper time for everything. Third question, why did the king go to the hermits to discuss? The hermit spoke only to common people. The king knew this. He did not want to risk the chance that the hermit might not answer his questions, so he went to the hermit in disgust. Fourth question, that is, how did the hermit respond to the king's question? Its answer is the hermit listened to the king but said nothing. He just spat on his hand and resumed digging. Remaining 4 questions. Fifth question, in what state was the bearded man when he arrived? Answer is the man was wounded, he fainted, he had a large wound in his stomach, the bleeding was not stopped, the wound had to be bandaged and rebandaged, the bandage was soaked with blood, the bearded man was indeed a very serious condition when he arrived. Then sixth question is, why had the wounded man asked for the king's pardon? Its answer is the wounded man had resolved to kill the king. In trying to do so, he was wounded and the king saved his life. Hence the wounded man asked for the king's pardon. Then seventh question, what qualities of the king stand out as he forgave his enemy? Answer is, as the king forgive his enemy, we see him a very human person, as a person who believes in peace and forgiveness, and one who shows mercy to those who would wish to harm him. Then last question, how did the hermit finally point out the answers to the king's question? Its answer is, the hermit finally pointed out the answers to the king's question by referring to incidents that the king actually experienced when he visited the hermit. With the help of each incident, the hermit explained to the king what the most important time was, who the most important person was, and what the most important action was. So with this we have completed our all question and answers of 2.2 three questions. In next video we will meet with the Hindi explanation of 2.3, that is the connecting the dots. In description box I have given you the link for Hindi explanation of this lesson, that is 2.2 three questions, and also I have given you the link for all the videos of standard 10. Thank you.